Disclaimer. The information and techniques provided in these cybersecurity tutorials are strictly for educational and ethical purposes only. The content is designed to help users understand potential security vulnerabilities and develop offensive as well as defensive skills to protect systems and networks. By using this information, you agree that you are solely responsible for your actions and the consequences thereof. The creators and providers of this content do not condone, encourage, or accept any liability for malicious behavior or any damage, loss of data, or legal action that may result from the misuse of the information provided, including attempting any techniques on systems you do not own or have explicit written permission to test. Keep calm and hack ethically. Okay, let's look out the flow of the famous React vulnerability of 2025. The CVE-2025-55182 React2Shell RCE is a remote code execution RCE vulnerability found in applications using React2Shell, where user-supplied input is improperly rendered or evaluated on the server side. Why is it critical? Because it allows unauthenticated remote code execution and can lead to full server compromise, affects applications using unsafe dynamic rendering, exploitable with simple crafted input. How is it exploited? Attackers exploit the vulnerability by injecting malicious payloads into React-rendered input fields. Result? Full takeover of the affected server. So, you must be thinking, how to fix this, right? So, to mitigate the vulnerability, update React2Shell to the latest patched version. Never evaluate user input such as eval, function, dynamic rendering, as well as sanitize and validate all client-side and server-side inputs. And at last, use Content Security Policy, CSP. So, now, we will look a small practical demonstration of finding the vulnerability as well as exploiting it to show a proof of concept.